Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add custom domain to Base44 application. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open your application within Base44 that you just made. And here you'll be redirected to the preview section. So you're going to click on dashboard and you'll be able to see various options. So you're going to click on domains and here you'll be able to see custom domains. It says custom domains are available on our builder plan and above. Upgrade to connect your domain to this app. So you're going to click on view plans and there are numerous plans that you can choose from. We have Elite, Pro, Builder, and Starter. So you're going to simply buy Builder one. And after upgrading, you're going to go to your domain provider, such as you can use GoDaddy, Namecheap, Google Domains, open the DNS management area for your domain, and then you're going to create a CNAME record for the www subdomain and point it to your base44 on reader.com. If your domain registrar supports a name or alias records, use one of those for your root domain and point it to the base44.com as well. If those record types are not available, then you're going to create an A record for the root domain and point it to your IP over here. And also, once the DNS records have been added, you're going to save changes and return to your Base44 application to complete the domain verification process. Keep in mind that DNS updates can take anywhere from 48 to 72 hours to fully propagate, although in many cases the changes become active much sooner. After verification is complete, your Base44 application will be reachable through your custom domain. So in short, open the domain section in your project and make sure that you have upgraded your plan that supports custom domains and then connect your domain using the required DNS records. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.